afternoon, YouTube. Here with you on a Friday afternoon, I believe. Working on this is going to be my center connection. This will be the bench output. Now you can see I've used some heat shrink on there. These let me show you what they look like. These you know, when you solder wires on there, they tend to be pretty close, and just to be on the safe side, I thought, oh, I'll put some heat shrink around them. That should keep them from shorting out. So that's the plan. I have the hole drill. Let me show you. Alright, you can see here in the middle, that will be the output of the amp. Now I did it this way because it was going to be difficult to do with a switch. I originally wanted to put a switch in to switch this output from out to in and things like that. The reason I want an output is for testing speakers. So if I want to hook up a couple speakers here, I can use the same wiring, the pins. I can use everything the same as it would have been. So I can do that. And then, like I said, this will be when I want to hook up to the speakers, I'll run a little patch cord. In fact, I'm thinking about making a little short one to go over there and do that, and that'll be my output for the. That's how it will be normally. It will be just from here to here, and that way I can listen to the radio or whatever I want to do. The other input, I have them painted. I'm getting ready to go out and put a second coat on. I think they're going to need it. So, like I said, that's what I am doing at the moment. Getting these things ready to wire and getting them wired. So that's what we got going on, and let me bring you back when I have more to show you. Alright, well, you can see now I have this screwed in. It's bowed a little bit in the middle, but not bad. I think it'll be fine. So that's the way that's going to be looking. Like I said, there'll be the input on this side once they get done painting, and the speakers on this side. So that's the way we're going to do that. We'll have labels on them, of course. You know, I'm big on labels because I've got a label maker. Alright, bring you back when I get the other ones done, so hang in there. Oh, well, back with you once more. Kind of jumped the gun a little bit. As you can see, I've got the Bluetooth paired. Everything works just fine. I've got the speakers just cooked up to the output, which I basically wanted to test all this, make sure it was working, and it is working just fine. So once I get the painted part done, get these connected to that side, and then the input, run an input into the what do you call it, phono jacks to connect here, and I'll have her made in the shade, as they say. So I'm happy to have my tunes back. I had run the battery down on my other radio. I'm charging it. So anyway, that's the case of the what's going on so far. Well, let me bring you back when I have the other ones in, and we'll check it out. Alright, well, there you have the first yellow-backed audio input there. That's actually the speakers, but I mean, you know what I'm saying. That's the first one. I got to run a jumper from here to here now to test that, to make sure that's working as it should. I think I've got one here on the bench, but I'm gonna have a shorter one. Well, I guess maybe I turn it up a little bit, huh? Alright, that works good. it sounds pretty good. I do. And it works, that's the main thing. Like I say, once I get my short jumpers between here, I think that'll be much better. So that's what they're going to look like. Like I said, I still have this one to put up yet. It's going to go right here. I don't have the wires for that yet. I think it'll look pretty good. What do you all think? Alright, well, I'm going to stop this. Maybe. Turn that off. I love it. I love it a lot. So let's see. I got one more to do. Hope to get that done this evening. Doesn't take too long to do them. I just got to find a decent. This one's got to have phono plugs on the end. I've got a short one somewhere around here, and I don't know where exactly it is, but I'll probably be able to find it. So I'll bring you back when I have more. Alright, back again. Let's see. Turn that off. Well, I keep getting all these crappy things. You can see it is hooked up. This is the input for the stereo, or the bench amp, whatever you want to call it. It goes around and comes into the bottom of my phone here. And if I hit the play, so that means that's working. Yeah, it's working good. Alright, so let me turn this off. As you can see, I have all three of them now on there. This goes over to this to make it speakers. This is the output for the bench amp. This is the speaker input. So that's just a patch cord there. This is just a patch cord that goes from RCA's to the 1/8 inch stereo jack or plug into my phone. And that's exactly what I wanted. It's all done. Just need to screw the amp down. I've got my screws somewhere. I don't know where they're at. I think they're over here. Anyway, that's going to conclude this little segment. I think that's going to catch up one more little job. Like I said, I think the yellow turned out pretty good. I like the yellow. And again, the middle one is got the blank. You know, it doesn't have any backing on it because it fits right. You know, it'll fit right on the pegboard. So, and the one on that end's the same way. The speakers. I've got to put, like I say, I'll put the labels down here. Put input maybe or something. Put output or something like that, and put speakers over here. I'll come up with some clever something or other to put there. Anywho, that's gonna do me for this one. I don't know what's next. Maybe some rest. Oh, I know what's next. This'll be next. I've got to get this thing going or something. See if I can get it going. You never can tell. I might get lucky. So, alright, gonna get off here. You guys have a wonderful evening. It is 7 something? I don't even know what time it is. I've been in here so long. Whoops, geez, so 9:21. Time flies when you're having fun. So you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching, and we will see you.
That's all, folks.